Today I'm going to show you how to make crumpets. You will need 150 grams of plain flour, 250 millilitres of warm water, half a tablespoon of dried yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So you will need some rings that you can use in a frying pan. So you can buy crumpet rings, but what I have done is I have used some metal cookie cutters instead. Firstly, to your flour, add your sugar, your salt and your baking powder and mix until well combined. Then add your yeast and mix again. So we add the yeast separately to the salt because salt can kill yeast. Then add your water and give it a really good mix until you have a really nice combined batter. Then cover with a piece of cling film and leave in a warm place for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you'll see that it's bubbly, but it's not risen. Then just give this a little bit of a stir just to disturb any big balls. Then using your oil, you just want to grease the inside of your metal rings. Then to a frying pan on a low heat, add your metal rings and a little bit of oil into the middle of each ring. And then you want to spoon in your batter. So I put about half a centimetre of batter in each of my rings, which made them quite thin crumpets, but I did find it easier to cook a thinner crumpet because the thicker ones went slightly overdone on the bottom by the time they were done on the top. So you want to cook your crumpets for about 4 to 5 minutes. So once the batter is cooked around the edge of the crumpet, that's when you can remove the metal rings. So just pop them to one side just to allow them to cool down slightly so then we can re-grease them for the next lot. And then you just want to flip your crumpet over just slightly just to allow the uncooked batter on the top to cook. And you only need them to cook a minute on that side just to make sure that you've got no raw batter. And then remove from the heat and repeat with the leftover batter. And there you have it. That is how you make crumpets. If eating them straight away, just pop a bit of butter or whatever you're topping on and eat. If you're going to reheat them later, just pop them in the toaster for a minute or two just to reheat. And just a quick thank you to Crafty Cal, who is one of my members who requested this recipe. If you do have any recipe requests, just reach out, let me know. I'm always looking for ideas.